30 meters. Number 9. Eco-Drive technology powered by light. Any light never needs a battery. Japanese-Quartz movement. Case diameter 43 mm. Water resistant to 100 meter. Case thickness 13.6 mm. Number 8. Type men's strap. Dial black. Luminous hands and markers. Case size 53 mm. Case material 2-tone super titanium. Water resistant 1000 meters or 100 bar. Anti-reflective sapphire crystal. Power reserve indicator date 3 hand. More beautiful in person. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. Number 7. Atom shaped round diameter material type mineral. Display type analog digital clasp buckle. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 44 mm. Case thickness 14.3 mm. Band material rubber. Band length man standard. Band width 22 mm. Number 6. Dialuminum material type mineral. Display type analog. Clasp fold over clasp with double push button and safety. Metal stem, no metal stem. Case material of this watch is stainless steel. Case diameter of this watch is 42 mm. Case thickness 13 mm. Strap band material stainless steel. Band length man standard. Band width 24 mm. Water resistant depth is 660 feet. Number 5. Case diameter 44 mm. Japanese-Quartz movement. Water resistant to 100 meter of this watch. Band material leather. Band length 9.5 inches. Number 4. Clasp push button deployment clasp. Metal stem, no metal stem. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 46 mm. Case thickness 12.9 mm. Band material stainless steel. Band length man standard. Band width 22 mm. Band color silver. Dial color black, bezel material stainless steel. Bezel function stationary, calendar date. Number 3. Display tab analog. Case diameter of this watch is 46 millimeters. Case thickness of this watch is 15.3 millimeters. Band width 24 millimeters. Movement Japanese-Quartz. Number 2. Case material stainless steel. Case shape round, case color silver. Dial window material type glass. Display type analog. Case diameter 49 millimeters. Case thickness 18 millimeters. Band width 19 millimeters. Band color black, water resistant, depth 200 meters. Special feature second hand, atom weight 6.24 ounces. Number 1. Dial window material type glass. Display type digital, class deployment class. Case material stainless steel, case diameter 46 millimeters. Case thickness 13 millimeters, movement automatic. Band material stainless steel, water resistant, depth 30 meters. Band width 22 millimeters, band color silver. Dial color black, bezel material stainless steel. Eco drive technology powered by light, any light.